karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to open this. So what is this? So guys, this is an axe which I recently bought from the local knife store in Oman. Okay, so guys, they have their own brand. Okay, so the name of this brand is Aliya Rabbi Al Asaria. Okay, so they have their Instagram page, so I can show it to you for your reference. Okay, so rest something is in Arabic which I cannot read. So here is their Instagram account which you can follow and you can check it yourself. So guys, this axe, it is made in China, and the brand of this axe is same, Aliya Rabi Al Asaria. Okay, so now we will take it out. And guys, while I'm taking it out, I would like to tell you I paid about 7 Omani Reals for it. So which is equivalent to more or less equivalent to 16 American dollars. Okay, so guys, this is made in China, but the quality and the weight, okay, is very good. Okay, so this weighs around 350 to 400 grams. Okay, so let us take it out. And what type of steel they have used for this, I have no idea. So here also, if you can see, that brand is written here, it is carved here, but it is in Arabic. So guys, here it is. So here are some protectors. Let us take them out, and it also has a hole in case you want to hang it. And it has this paracord also, like, so that while using it, you can put it around your wrist, and you can also use the paracord in emergencies. So guys, the handle material of this axe is rubberized plastic, and it is very sturdy. Okay, very good and very sturdy, and it feels very solid. Okay, and here in the handle, it also comes with this Rambo style storage cavity. Okay, and which you can open it, and here you can see there is a compass, and there is something else also. This also comes with this. So I think it has a fishing needle, and it has some threads, and it has some other type of needles. Let us take it out. Okay, so it has a thread for stitching, and it has a needle, and that's it. So guys, that's all in this. So soon we'll take it outdoors and we will do a detailed review of it. So this is my axe which we got from Aliya Rabi Al Asaria. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, let us do a quick sharpness test of this blade. Okay, so guys, I did not sharpen it, so this is the stock blade. This is how it comes. So let us try to cut some paper with it. Okay, so you can see it makes a very clean cut. Okay, so let us try it once more. Okay, so guys, it is very sharp, and as I always say, tell you, like, while you are using these knives, so you should be very careful so that you do not injure yourself. So guys, this is my axe which I got from the local store. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, more EDC reviews, and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.